Peace and blessings. Welcome to Dominus Mentality. God bless you, all the viewers. Today I want to talk about family. Family, my brothers and sisters, is highly, highly important. Family can be through marriage, biology. Family can be just people living together and growing up together and sharing the same culture, same codes of conduct, and this can be considered as family. What family needs, most importantly, is unity. Family needs unity. This means that we need to be united. Family needs to be united. And outside of that, family also needs to be a community. A community usually represents people that live together in the same area. And as we live together in the same area, we have the same culture, we have the same principles, the same interests, the same goals. This is so important. And as I pay attention to history and pay attention to those who are considered powerful on this earth realm, the most powerful people are the people who are united. So when you think of the mafia, what made the mafia powerful because they was united. Same goals, same principles. What makes gangs powerful, whether it's Blood, Crip, and Mesh, Latin King, so many gangs. But whatever the gang is, what makes the gang powerful is the unity, being with one accord. What makes religion powerful is when you have a religion with the same goal. What makes a church powerful when everyone comes together with the same mind, the same likeness. So again, community is important. Even when it comes to the LGBT community, they're powerful. Why are they powerful? Because they are together. They are unified. So my brothers and sisters, I'm encouraging everyone, let's be family again. Not family just because we are related, but let's be family because there's a oneness. There's a oneness in mind. There's a oneness in heart. There's a oneness with goals. There's a togetherness. Let's be together again so we can build, we create, and dominate. Change your thinking, change your life. Change your mentality, change your reality. Let's have a Dominus mentality. Peace.